Good morning, children. Today we will start with chapter 7 in moral science. Never be in a hurry. It tells you that never be in a hurry to decide about any person. Okay, what the person is, how the person is talking, how the person is behaving. Don't be in a hurry to judge about anybody. Take your time, see, hear, talk to the person and then decide about the person. Hasty decisions are not required. Hasty means quick decisions, okay? You should not make quick decisions about anybody in your life. This is what this chapter is going to tell you. So again, you have to put a tick on your value taught, life skills developed and golden words. It says, hasty decisions can lead to wasteful outcomes. If you decide something quickly, then it might be a wrong decision and then you might have to regret later on. So you should never be in a hurry to decide about anything in your life. Take your time and then decide, okay? So I will read and then in case I find difficult, I'll explain you. Hasty decisions, action or judgment is sudden and is often done in reaction to something that has just happened. If a person has hasty nature, it means that he or she reacts too quickly without thinking carefully. If anybody has the habit of deciding very quickly without thinking the plus and the minus, the pros and the cons of anything, then that person falls into a lot of trouble later on. So we need to be very, very decisive about the things. We need to give time to see what the things are, what the people are, and then only we should make a decision. All the people who make hasty decisions and judgments, they often land up into a big problem. Children, instead of being in a hurry, you should learn to think patiently and wisely before taking a decision or an action. Sometimes because of hurry, we make a wrong judgment about things and people. For example, sometimes the attractive packing of a product makes us hurriedly believe that the thing is good. But this judgment may not be true as it is just based on outward look. Sometimes the gift packs are very, very attractive. You go to a market and you see the beautiful boxes. So what they are trying to tell you with this example, that don't get attracted with what you see from outside. What is inside should attract you. That means when we are talking about a person, don't think that the person is wearing a very beautiful sari and a very beautiful dress and dressed up nicely with all beautiful hair and everything. So that person is going to be very good. No. It is not at all possible that the person who's looking very beautiful from outside can be a good person from inside also, okay? So don't go by the outward appearance of the people, but take your time and understand the person, what the person is from inside also, okay? This is what they're trying to tell you through this example. You go and you see a very beautiful chocolate pop packet. You go for that beautiful chocolate packet rather than going for a simple chocolate packet, because that packet attracts you more. Something which is beautifully kept in the market, that attracts you more. So it is trying to tell you that don't go by those beautiful attractions which you see outside, but see what is inside the packet, okay? Same thing with the people also, as I explained. In the same way, sometimes we hurriedly make a judgment as regard a person. For example, if somebody steps on our foot, we immediately think that he is careless. But when we learn more about the person, we realize that though he committed a mistake, he is not at all careless. As such, you should understand that correct judgment is possible only when you take time to think about the quality of a thing or character of a person. Even in case of judging a situation, you should take time to think, otherwise your judgments could prove to be wrong. Simply, they are saying that you should take time, you should be patient to decide about the situation, to decide about the people. Don't be in a hurry to judge about the situation or to judge about the person. Otherwise, later on, you have to regret for your hasty decisions.